Okay, here we have a combustion equation that we are balancing. We know it's combustion because there's hydrocarbons here. It doesn't matter what the ratio of the hydrocarbons are, as long as there's hydrogen and carbon reacting with oxygen to yield carbon dioxide and water as your products. You know that it's a combustion. So you know you have C's, H's, and O's. And we look through here, we only have C's, H's, and O's. Write it always C, H, and O because that's the order that you're going to balance in. We start with the carbons. We have 6 carbons on the left, 1 carbon on the right, 4 hydrogens on the left, 2 hydrogens on the right, 2 oxygens on the left, and notice oxygens in 2 different places. That's why we're doing it last. 2 plus 1, because remember it's implied that there's a 1 there. 3 oxygens on the right. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to balance is my carbons. I have 6 on the left. I can't change the subscripts. I can only change the coefficients. After you've written out the words or the compounds or formula, you can only change your coefficients. So I need to make this 1 of 6. And the way I do that is I put a 6 in front. Because remember, there's that implied 1 here. So 6 times 1, I now have 6 carbons. Now don't forget, the 6 doesn't just go with the carbons, it goes everything in the molecule. So there is 6 carbons, but now there's also 12, 13 oxygens. Update as you go and double check at the end. This is the most likely place that you're going to lose all your points on the quiz or test because you didn't go through and double check. And you might have missed one of these distributions. Okay, so now my carbons match. 4 hydrogens on the left, I need 4 hydrogens on the right. I don't change the subscript, but 2 times 2 is 4. So now I can change there. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 6 times 2 gives me 14 oxygens now, okay? That's 6 times 2 plus 2 times 1. So now our carbons are balanced, our hydrogens are balanced, and our oxygens are not balanced. And that's why we're going to do the oxygens last, because I only have 1 oxygen term over here. I have 14 oxygens, but there's a 2 there. So don't write 14 up there, because then it'll be 14 times 2, which would give you 28 options on the left. It's 7 times 2 gives you 14. Okay? And then always go back and double check. Okay, I'm going to put a 1 there just to make it neater. 6 carbons, 6 carbons, 6 carbons, 6 carbons, check. 4 hydrogens, 4 hydrogens, check. 14 oxygens, 6 times 2, so 12, plus 2 times 1, 2, 14, check. Every single time, make sure you're checking, especially in combustions.